So this is a way to create the frame. So I use a brush, and width should be good 40, or let's make it 50 just to show you. So I can design any pattern here. I'm just messing around, of course. This is an example. Let's make some straight. This is actually using shift. Okay. This is art made on the moment. Here I'm just deleting what is inside this frame, and voila. So now I have my window. I go to filter, stylize, and find edges, and voila. There you have it. Now I use, after this, CorelDRAW to rasterize the image inside to create the vector cut lines for the laser, but you can easily see how it's done. It's very easy, and yeah, you don't have to design double time all the lines. Okay, hope it's useful for you. Ciao, ciao.